Hello everyone, I will introduce one to you today. The top of the mountain to 5B excavator produced by our factory. The R5B excavator. The width of the whole vehicle is 1.35 meters. At the same time, to 5B this excavator is equipped with a 125 centimeters trap, greater contact area with the ground, stronger grip. The R5B excavator. The largest excavation depth can reach to 0.5 meters. What about the largest excavation height? It can reach 3 meters 45. What about the 25 bytes excavator? Carrying a long firewood. The 390S high-powered engine. Stable quality and national joint guarantee. At the same time, the tail is equipped with a counterweight of solid cast iron. Work is not easy to tilt your head. Coordination of hydraulic pilot handle and triple pump. At the same time, move smoothly and flexibly. Ultra 5B excavator is suitable for municipal engineering. The house is broken, road rescue, river dredging and other conditions. If you need this excavator, the boss can find out.